In fact, it's one here, the 3-in-1 straightener brush is a tad bigger than the other one. In fact, it's quite a bit bigger than the other one. It is 9.6 inches long and about 2.2 inches wide. The other one was quite a thin affair. It was really good for getting in on the beard. This one is quite different. It's obviously a lot heavier. It's got a 2-meter cord on it. And again, it has the 360 rotation, so it's not going to get tangled with the old hanger on there. It's anything quick. It goes into centigrade. As you can see, I think they said it takes about 45 seconds to come up to heat, and you can see that it is marching up on the numbers there.